feeling overwhelmed, a quick weekend getaway could be just what you need to recharge. In this video, we're sharing easy tips to help you plan a stress-free escape so you can unwind without the usual hassle. Tip 1. Choose a destination that's close to home. By keeping your travel time short, you'll maximize the time you actually spend relaxing. Look for places within a 2 to 3 hour drive or a short flight away so you can start unwinding as soon as you arrive. Think about charming towns, nearby nature spots, or relaxing resorts. Sometimes the best escapes are closer than you think. Next, book accommodations that offer great amenities. A hotel with included meals, a pool, or on-site activities can help make your getaway even more enjoyable without extra planning. You want a place where everything you need is at your fingertips. Look for places that offer packages or added perks. This way you can spend less time organizing and more time relaxing. When it comes to packing, less is more. Choose versatile clothing that you can mix and match for different activities. Pack only the essentials so that you're not lugging around a huge suitcase for a quick trip. Packing light will make it easier to move around, and it helps you start your weekend on a relaxed note instead of stressing over heavy bags. To make sure your weekend goes smoothly, consider pre-booking key activities. Whether it's a dinner reservation, a guided tour, or a spa session, booking in advance means you won't have to waste time figuring things out on the spot. This way, you can relax knowing that your plans are set, allowing you to fully enjoy each moment without worrying about availability. Planning a weekend getaway doesn't have to be complicated. With these tips, you can enjoy a relaxing escape without the usual planning stress. Let us know in the comments your favorite weekend destination. And if you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy travel plans. Happy travels!